Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the US, and I have a really great project to share with you today. Super cute, super easy to put together. Sorry about my voice, I am losing my voice I think. So just excuse me, but really cute project. The designer series paper I'm using on this is the Myths and Magic, and then I'm using the Petal Palette Bundle. So I'm going to show you how I did this. My father-in-law gave me a box of chocolates over the weekend, Easter time. I hope everybody had a great Easter. Ours was fabulous. So I just have one of these small little chocolates and I wanted to dress it up. So I've got a piece of designer series paper and this measures 2 inches by 10 inches. I have this punch has retired, but you can use I think it's the decorative label punch. I would imagine that the size would be the same, but don't quote me on that, you guys. I'm not 100% sure. I don't have that punch. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of paper in and you're going to push the punch as far as it will go, making sure you are like centered on each side, and you're going to just pray that you get it right and you're going to punch it out. So what you're going to do now is you are going to take your snail adhesive and you're just going to run some adhesive you're going to add your chocolate through like so, and then all you're going to do is you're just going to wrap, and then this is going to fold in like so, and then this is going to fold over. Now you can round these corners using your envelope punch board if you wish, but just a fun way to dress up a chocolate, and there's no scoring, no real measurements really, but just a fun way to jazz up a chocolate. I've got some baker's twine, black baker's twine, and I'm just going to wrap this around a few times. And we are going to tie this in a knot. I smashed my brand new phone, my screen, yesterday. Yep, April Fool, guys. It was terrible. This is for real. I really did. My husband was not happy with me. A very expensive phone, and I climbed out the car and it fell, and yeah, smashed. So that's that. I have a piece of, what is this? Fresh fig. I've got some Memento ink, and we are going to stamp 2 of the flowers. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to run this through your Big Shots, which I've already done. And then I just grabbed my glue dots and I attached my flowers. But before I attach them, I just kind of manipulated them a little bit with my fingers just to kind of pop them a little bit up. And then I added some enamel shapes here. You can add some rhinestones, you could add pearls, it's whatever you would like. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you are in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the products that I did use today, they will be linked down in the description below. And I will also have a written detailed description and measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so head on over there and give that a check out. This week's winner is Lena. I will be sending your stuff in the mail. Again, this is the last week to comment and order to win some great prizes. I will also have that over on my website, so if you go there, you can check that out. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.